it's Akii, and today we're going to be making some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins and some butterscotch because my Grammy can't eat chocolate and it's almost Thanksgiving. By the way, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is for Thanksgiving. So the first step, in this large bowl right here, we are going to be mixing the pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin, and 1/2 cup of butter, just 1 stick of butter, and that's all we're going to be mixing. So 1 cup of pumpkin, 2 eggs, make sure the shells aren't in there. Alright, no shells. 1/2 cup of water, just normal water. And then 1/2 cup of butter or 1 whole stick. Melted but not hot. Stir till very well mixed. Alright, so once your batter of wet ingredients is well mixed, then you take in a medium bowl, you mix together 1 3/4 cups of flour, alright, then 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, all in this one little bowl right here. And then you stir it together with another spoon that I don't have right now. I'm just gonna go and stir it until it's a perfect blended color. And I made the mistake of leaving some nutmeg and cinnamon on the side, so make sure you scrape the sides off so you don't leave any just sitting there on the sides, not mixed together. Alright, that's pretty well mixed. So now, when your dry ingredients are mixed, well mixed like this, you always put the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. Well, for me at least. Alright, then stir with a wooden spoon until well mixed, like smooth and it's like a sort of a bright color, but one color. No, make sure there's no chunks. And then it'll be a good batter to put inside the muffin tin. Make sure to scrape it off the sides, because when you stir, sometimes it goes on the sides of the bowl, and you want to make sure you get all those excess the batter parts. Since I'm doing two types of chocolate chips, I'm doing butterscotch and chocolate chips. So we need to measure the batter out first into each muffin hole thing. Also line the muffin tin with cupcake holders so it can have a nice little decoration and so it doesn't stick. So if you're not using a ladle or doing 2 types of chocolate chips, then just put in 1 cup of chocolate chips into the batter, and then that'll be good. Alright, so I am all done pouring the muffin batter into the muffin tin. So, since I have 2 types of chips, I'm going to be experimenting with them because my grandma has an allergy, gives her a headache. I don't want to let her eat chocolate. I'm going to put some butterscotch in half of them and then some chocolate in the other half. And if you want to tell them apart, leave 6 out of each one so you can put 1 on top per muffin. So I'm going to put 6 aside of each. 6, okay. Alright, so I'm going to experiment to see how this is going to work. I'm going to stir the chocolate chips and the butterscotch chips in with this little whisk right here. So gonna put them in there and then just stir them with a little whisk or a small spoon if you don't have a tiny little baby whisk. Just stir them in as much as possible and then tap the whisk or spoon on the edge to get all the excess out. I am all done putting the chocolate chips and butterscotch chips in, and now time for those little saved 6 chips that we have over here to remind us which one's which. So just put them on the top, one more per muffin. All right, now for the chocolate, which my mom did a very good job of stirring. Credit to her for doing camera skills and helping me. And if you are a little child, have parent supervision while doing this. All right, so those are all marked to be chocolate and butterscotch, half and half. All right, and now it's time to bake for 30 minutes on an oven that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit behind me. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. So, if you liked this little video, please subscribe. I want to see if we can get to 10 likes on this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I will do more of these videos for you guys. Alright.